My name is Gary Rothberger. I've been with W+R Studios for 5.5 years now, and I'm a customer success manager. My day-to-day, I talk to the end user, our agents who use our products. I help educate them on how to get acclimated to our products. I do demonstrations, one-on-one demonstrations, and I host webinars. Some of my hobbies right now include home improvement. I have a lot of things going on at the house. Just did a nice big tile backsplash. Other things I enjoy doing is spending a lot of time with my family and my kids. My son is into woodworking. He is into making tables and barn doors, and my daughter's into horseback riding. I just love her watching compete. It's pretty cool. She's really pretty aggressive with animals. One of my favorite parts of working at W+R Studios is when I get to work remotely out of the house, which is pretty cool. Saves me a lot of time. Just working with great people as well too. Pretty diverse crowd, a lot of culture, and how everyone just works great together.